It's a new sunrise in Haryana politics, with both his father and grandfather behind bars. All eyes on young Dushyant Chautala to keep the hopes of the Chautala clan alive. A report on Battleground Hisar. He's just 26 years of age, educated in one of the most prestigious boarding schools, pursuing a degree from a US university. Dushyant Chautala is a fourth-generation politician. He's battling it out in this heat and dust as he has a point to prove.
Dushyant Chautala was 8 when he would go from door to door in this family bastion to seek votes for his grandfather. Today, the 26-year-old is back on the hot and dusty roads of Hisar, this time to seek votes for himself. The fourth-generation INLD leader is perhaps the youngest politician in the fray for the 16th Lok Sabha elections. However, Dushyant is a reluctant neta. In January last year, he was meant to join a master's degree in the US. But just days before his departure, his grandfather Om Prakash Chautala and his father Ajay Chautala were convicted in a recruitment scam. Both were sent to Tihar jail. Dushyant stepped in to fill the gap.
The JBT scam that my father and my grandfather have been jailed in, there is zero money involved. That the judge that announced the judgment said that there is no money involved. There was no member of my family that got a job. They were mainly targeting my grandfather and father just to get them out of politics and exclude them to contest this Lok Sabha election.
The grueling campaign taking its toll on the Gen Y politician. In the relentless sun, thousands flock to catch a glimpse of the prodigal great-grandson of Devi Lal. There are roughly 40 public meetings a day. But he doggedly plods on, patiently answering questions on Bijli, Sadak and more.
First of all, the biggest issue is infrastructure development. Employment is one of the biggest issue, and the security of our sisters and the shopkeepers.
Though the alumnus of Lawrence School Sanar has ensured his presence online, with the team actively wooing young voters on Facebook, Twitter and WhatsApp, Dushyant Chautala knows there is nothing like the personal touch. The voters, however, need a lot more to be convinced. His legacy combined with his age may be his biggest strength. But Dushyant's inexperience may prove to be his biggest challenge.
बहुत जबरदस्त टक्कर देंगे. इतना आसान काम नहीं होगा कुलदीप के लिए यहाँ से जितना. आपके अपने प्रत्याशी.
Dushyant Chautala takes on the Congress's Sampath Singh, once a close lieutenant of his great-grandfather Devi Lal. The other challenger, former Chief Minister Bhajan Lal's son Kuldeep Bishnoi. In the assembly elections held in 2011, Dushyant's father lost to Kuldeep Bishnoi by a narrow margin of around 6,300 votes. The last time the party swept the state was in 1999 after aligning with the BJP. But now Dushyant dreams of a revival. Helping him, Sukhbir Singh Badal, a relative but more important, an NDA ally. The Akalis have been openly lobbying for the INLD, even accompanying young Dushyant for his nomination. A move that has upset another ally, the Haryana Janhit Congress, and put the BJP in a catch-22 situation. But even as senior leaders like Sushma Swaraj have opposed the entry of the INLD into the fold, a confident Dushyant Chautala predicts an INLD wave in the state.
Our fight is mainly with Congress, and we will fight against the Congress, and once we get our member of parliament, we will support the non-Congress government, either it's Narendra Modi or it's somebody else. We will support him without any condition.
It's a fight for survival for the INLD in these elections. With its top two leaders behind bars, its Gen Next leader, Dushyant Chautala has to battle it out. But will he emerge as the right choice to carry forward the legacy of Chaudhry Devi Lal? Only time will tell. With camera person Arpit Jaiswal in Hisar, Anand Patel for NDTV.